How to get a Cash App card on Cash App. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can order a Cash App card or how you can get Cash App card. Well, the process itself is simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you can do is you can tap the Cash Card tab on your Cash App home screen, then press Get Cash Card and then continue and go through the following prompts or steps in order to get or order a card. The other way around to get a Cash App card is you can order it by heading to your Google Chrome or any other browser, and then you can search in for order Cash App card. Simply type in order Cash App card and you should get the link here to order Cash card. You can see Cash App and order Cash card link. Tap on it, open it up and go through the steps. Again, prompt that you'll have to first log into your account and go through the other steps necessary, and you'll be able to order one. So this way you can get a Cash App card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.